My name's Sampo, and this is Cooking with Scrama. In this episode, we'll be making rosolli, which is a Finnish traditional cuisine, most often served as a cold side dish during Christmas. It's a lot like Russian vinaigrette. Let's see how you're gonna make it. We'll be using these ingredients. First off, we'll start with the onion and apple and boiled potatoes and carrots. And then the most important part is the beetroot, which we'll be using as a pickled one. It'll give rosolli the nice color. And let's not forget, we're also gonna use the pickled cucumber. Let's start dicing them into pieces. First I'm gonna remove all the parts we're not gonna use and put them on a waste bin. We're gonna peel off potatoes too. And then we're gonna start chopping. Some people like to put all kinds of nasty things into their rosolli, like herring for instance. The last ingredient is going to be the beetroot, which we'll be using a pickled one. You can also make a dressing for rosolli, which is often made from whipped cream, which is colored with the beetroot juice into a pink nice foam. And you can use vinegar too. It'll make a nice addition for this dish. As you can see, the beetroot is starting to give color to all the other ingredients. So you get the color, nice red pinkish color. And here you have it. Rosolli is ready. And the last part, my favorite one, because no one in their sane mind would eat this shit. What's gonna do? We're gonna throw this shit into the trash bin. Happy cooking with you, and remember to mind your fingers when cooking with Scrama.